everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some bang bang wings. Yes, probably never heard of this before, but today I'll show you guys how to make it. Super easy. Can be done in the air fryer or the oven. Let me show you guys how to make it. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video if you enjoy it. Also subscribe if you're new here, and let's jump right in. Okay guys, let's begin. If you are making this at home or you hoping to make this at home, I will leave all of the ingredients down below for you and with the measurement. Of course, I'm using 2 pounds of chicken wings. I am going to cut the drum from the flats just to separate them. Once I'm done cutting all of the wings, I am going to transfer them to a bowl so I can wash them. I am going to wash them with a little bit of lime or lemon with some vinegar, and then we can move on to cooking these wings. If you don't wash your wings, that has nothing to do with me, okay? I have to wash mine. Once I'm done washing them, I am going to use a napkin to pat dry any moisture or water. Next, I am going to drizzle some olive oil to the chicken, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, then mix it up really good with my hands. Now it's time to season the chicken. I am using onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, ground black pepper, chili powder, paprika. I like to mix that before I add it to the chicken, so we're going to use a fork to mix that all together. Then sprinkle it all over the chicken and keep mixing the chicken so the chicken can be well coated with the seasonings. Now it's time to bake these wings. You can also use an air fryer for this recipe. Now I like to use a baking rack to place my chicken wings onto because I don't like the chicken to be swimming in its own water. That way it's not going to be crispy. You want it to be nice and crispy. So this is the way to do it to prevent it from swimming in its own water or juice. This is what the wings looks like before we bake it, nice and well seasoned. I am going to bake it on 400 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or if you like it extra crispy, you can leave it up to 40 minutes. Absolutely crispy, crunchy, and yeah, they look good. Okay, now it's time to make the sauce. Okay, this is the bang bang sauce y'all have been waiting for, so let me show you guys how to make it. And when I tell you these wings are extremely crispy, only if you can hear the sound, it's extremely crispy, but you gotta eat them fast because this sauce can make them soggy if you don't eat them fast enough. So this is how you make the bang bang sauce. You're going to grab yourself half a cup of mayo and about 1/4 cup of chili and sriracha sauce. And this right here is chili sauce. Pour that in there. And also you will need some soy sauce, low sodium, Give that a quick mix just like so, and boom, you have yourself some bang bang sauce. Of course, if you want to make it spicy, you can add more sriracha sauce, but this is how you make bang bang sauce. Gorgeous. Now here's what you're going to do. You're going to grab your wings, just pour them into the sauce. Or if you like to dip your wings in the sauce, that's okay with me too. Make sure the wings are well coated with the sauce, and there you have it. This is how easy it is to make yourself some oven baked bang bang wings. How easy was this recipe? Let me know if you're going to try this one out. And of course, this recipe was inspired by Bang Bang Shrimp. Let me know if you guys want to see a fried version of this recipe. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Hit that thumbs up button if you have not done so. Also subscribe if you're new here, because I show you guys delicious ideas to cook for your family at home. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on those. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.